Now for this item, it's actually quite intimidating to look at, but then again, you would be surprised that the answer is very straightforward. Alright, now if you're going to look at our given, what have you noticed in our numerator? We have here sine cube A minus cos cube A. That is just difference of two cubes, right? Now remember, when you have difference of two cubes, example, you have A cube minus B cube. This is just equal to A minus B and then A squared plus AB and then plus B squared. Alright? So again, that is just that. So using our difference of two cubes, sine cube A minus cos cube A, this is just equal to we have sine A minus cos of A multiplied by sine squared of A, and then we're gonna have plus sine of A times cos of A plus cos squared of A. And then again, everything is all over sine of A minus cos of A. Now what have you noticed here? We can actually cancel this one out, right? Cancel, cancel. So we are left with sine squared A plus let's see, sine A cos A and then cos squared of A. Now what have you noticed here? I want us to look at this one and this one. Remember our trig identities, our sine squared of A plus cosine squared of A, this is just 1. So meaning to say the sum of this is just 1. So we can actually write this as 1 plus sine of A cos of A, which is this.